Hey Woodshop class, Coop here. I want to talk to you about Google Forms real quick. When you work today, you will have two different forms, and the way that you'll access them is by clicking on it, and mine's an editing version, so sometimes it does that. And then click on the blue link below. That'll send you to the form. Now, my forms always, almost always I should say, there might be an exception, will have your period, and then your name, first name, and then last name. I'm going to try and keep it constant with that. First name, then last name, and I need those to be in the correct order so that I can get you your grade appropriately. Now make sure you fill out all the questions unless there's not a star on it, which means it is not required. But today all the questions are required. I want to get your information, even if you don't have a big answer for it. Now, two things you need to know about Google Forms. One, if you navigate away from the page, you can lose all your answers. So if you ever need to go somewhere to research something, be sure to do a split screen for that, okay? It's best to just kind of work through the form and finish it. And that's the second thing, is make sure when you get done, you actually hit this last button down here that says submit. Otherwise, when you navigate away, all the answers go away and I don't ever see it. So in order to get credit for these forms, please follow those steps. All right, thank you and good luck.